Welcome to WebStyle Plus. If you started a React.js app and it gave an error like something is already running on port 3000, here is how you can fix something is already running on port 3000 error. You can change the port easily. To do that, create a file .env at the project root if it's not already there. Open it in code editor. Specify a different port in it like this. Save the file. Now run the app again. And here is the app running in front of you on a different port. Now there are many ways to handle this issue. You can kill the port in many ways. You can change the port in many ways. I will link the related videos in video description. Even if you were not using React.js, those resources might help you. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.